Bird and Cat, episode 64. Fun things to do. Kit, wake up, called Bird. I want to tell you something. Kit jumped out of bed. He shot out of his hole. What is it, Bird? He asked. Goose is going to visit, said Bird. She will be here this afternoon. Yay, said Kip. I like Goose a lot. Kip went back into his hole. He found a pencil and paper. We'll need fun things to do, thought Kip. First we'll go to the playground. Then we will go to the aquarium. Kip wrote down his ideas. Bird was in her nest. She found a pencil and paper. We'll need fun things to do, thought Bird. First we'll go to the beach. Then we will go to the boardwalk. Bird wrote down her ideas. She smiled. We will have so much fun.